Ikea. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while.
It's been a while. Where am I going?
Left.
Left?
Yeah. So, we're going on a bit of a road trip today, and I'm sick, as you can probably tell by my voice. And we're going to Ikea. So it's fun doing a trip to Ikea. I'm keen for food.
I forgot.
I got
I forgot about it.
car snacks, shapes. Woo! Anyway, pumping some tunes. I don't know which one's the volume button. I'm solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo. Alright, just gonna warn you, we're gonna be careful of Loopy Linda.
Loopy Linda.
Yeah.
What's Loopy Linda?
She's a lady who like lives around here, and
Wait, dead set? It's like a thing?
yeah. Wanders the street and she'll just like pick up rubbish on the side of the road. My mum
I love that.
My mum was like almost hit her the other day. I was
Wait,
like,
okay. So I just need to keep my eye out and go like maybe the speed limit?
Yeah, because she'll just pop out of a car and just like toddle across the road. And like mum said she had like a dustpan and broom with her the other day.
Oh my gosh.
She's cleaning up the streets.
I aspire to have her cleanliness.
Literally.
Oh, sure, it's fine. Whoa.
Good indication.
Good indicator! I hate people who don't indicate.
That
makes me
road
so
rage.
mad.
No, I'm supposed to go right.
Wait, you didn't tell me that.
I know, I'm sorry. So just go up the driveway.
No.
Yeah, this one.
This car, no.
Might be at 5.2. You didn't even go up the driveway.
I said I'm not going up the driveway.
That's not. There's a car coming.
It can wait for me, okay?
Oh, no, it's
It's
like,
not-
go. You're saying go. They're looking at us weird.
Thanks. Is that Loopy Larry?
Oh, who knows?
Loopy Larry, Loopy
Who
Linda?
knows? Who
Is
knows?
that her name? Is that actually her name though? Linda.
Her name's Linda, yeah.
And so you call her Loopy Linda. I love that.
Yeah, it's a thing. Do we have an L plater next to us? I think we do.
She looks very concentrated. And I'm sitting here and I'm like,
I think we do. How comes the other tram? Hello.
is this a yes or a no?
I don't care. Beautiful girls. That's why it'll never work. Suicidal. I definitely saw Little Mix last year at concert. It's cold, it's cold, it's cold like magic. Take a seat,
Oh my gosh.
right over there, sat on the stairs, stay or leave. Baby, why don't you just let me go? Oh, take a step back for a minute into the kitchen, clothes are wet. I do. And tosses to run and dishes are grown. Close. Why don't you come on over? I can just let you go. Yeah! Oh, baby. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I need you in my skin dress. Come over, call me just. Oh, baby. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? Oh, yeah. I'm losing it. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? Oh,
That was a banger. Yeah, that was a banger.
I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got a love and I know that it's all mine. Oh, whoa. Take me away, a sacred place, a sweet escape. Take me away.
But
Ow.
sorry.
We are at Ikea.
You made it.
Ikea. Why did I come out with you?
Sorry. It's really cold.
Ah. Oh, there's like someone's gum in the garden.
Where?
Behind
Did
you.
I sit in it?
No. Who else does this to a straw? I do.
Mine's not that bad, but
I actually used to hate people who do that. I was like, you can't even get anything out of that. But it's a habit
I
now.
know.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh! My back! This
This happens on the daily, not even gonna lie. How special am I? Oh,
Nailed it. Here you go, madame.
take 2. We're off to see who was it.
Wizard of Oz.
Can't even find the entrance.
It's right here.
No. Click exchange and returns home delivery. That's not us.
Entrance has got a big arrow right there. Steve the snake. He just scared me. Ikea. Carl's.
Let me just slide into your lap.
Hey. Hey Tyler, did you know that you're a bit of a dopper? Hey Tyler, you're starting to tissel me off.
Hey Grace, did you know Woolies went bagless? You saw the opportunity, but you stewed it up.
Hey Tyler, can you please tell Sam to dig a hole? She wasn't good for him. I told him to drop her.
Hey Grace, I just wanted to let you know you look fantastic today.
Tyler, your ends are looking a bit ratty, hun. Maybe you should go visit a barber.
Hey Grace, your clothes looking a bit wrinkly today.
Hey Tyler, I think you should film her today.
Hey Grace, you got a bit of an open toga situation.
Tyler, can you please take a quick panna just so I can view the whole situation?
Hey Grace, I think you just need to get over it.
Tyler, I think you should ask Joel for a 20-carat ring. Hey Tyler, you need to stop being such a girly girl.
Hey Grace, I can't wait for summer.
Hey Tyler, good morning to you too. Hey Tyler, you shower so much that you fluddle in the bathroom.
Hey Grace, I just don't know what to do. Hey Grace, I think we should do a quick bummerang for the Insta.
Hey Tyler, I think you need to fix your hair. It's looking a bit scruffy.
Hey Grace, I'm getting a bit stuck on these puns.
Hey Tyler, Ikea's a bit expensive. Maybe we should go to Kiva instead.
Grace, you're just breaking my heart.
Hey Tyler, as much as you might want to, sometimes you can't force a relationship. Tyler, can you please sing a melody to me? Oh wait, maybe that'll cause a riot.
Hey Grace, can you please take a photo of me? I'm looking good today. Nah man, I don't want to pick today.
Hey Tyler, I spotted an ostrich. Sometimes guys just need to grow a pair of balls. You pressed the naughty one.
So, our
Successful.
shopping is complete. We got some cinnamon scrolls and some chocolate and some water.
We didn't think that through. Oopsies.
And we can't
Wait.
get the trolley out. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. I'm driving us home.
Tyler is driving us home. The
In a
stuff's
big
in the back,
car.
and it already has fallen.
And we're doing 20.
We're currently doing 20
On the
kilometers
highway.
an hour.
It's the first time driving a big car.
Yeah,
too.
but Tyler's driving a big car for the first time. Is Loopy Linda out today?
You'll be begging her
It's
for
not down this
mercy,
street.
mercy.
It's on the main street. We've already gone past it.
Oh, she wasn't out.
Should take only answers with a question.
Foot brake. Nailed it.
Oh!
High five.
Never goes
Good
right.
work. Are you not going to turn the car?
Drowning, drowning.
No, you got to put your foot on the brake.
On the brake.
Yep. Good work.
Whoosh. Whoosh. That's smooth.
Smooth, yeah.
So, hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Comment anything like challenges or stuff you want me to do, because,
Because you have no ideas and because you're unoriginal.
yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Anyway.